All right, guys, gonna do a little walkthrough today, disassembling and getting ready to install a wrap on a 2006 Dodge Ram 1500 Mega Cab. Okay, to start out here, we had to remove headlights and grille. The headlights take, there's 3 bolts, one here. You have one in here, one in here. Both sides. This one here can be accessed from the inside the wheel well in here. When you do the grill, just have these bolts across the top, real easy. A few bolts along the bottom, easy to get to. Now when we get to the driver's door here, mirror, you'll take the inside panel off the inside of the door, which is a few screws, and I'll get to that. But there are 3 bolts here. Pretty easy to take out once you have that inner panel off. Your door handle, you just have your rod here for the handle, and there's actually a lock rod down inside of here with 2 bolts, all that holds it in there. Okay, so to remove the inside door panel, you have just a few things here. This assembly that sits down inside of here, you take and just pop it out. It just has these clips right here that hold it in. When you pull it up out of there, you'll be able to get your hands in behind it to get to these connectors. There's one there, one here. You just pop those 2 loose, and this whole assembly will come out of the door. And then down here, you just have this one screw here. You'll pull that out, which is really easy to get to. You just go straight in here, maybe put an extension on. You come down here, you just have 2 screws here and here. And then the only other thing you have to take off is actually on this assembly here, your door handle that comes out, bolts in right here. You have 1 screw, you actually have to come in through this side right here. You may have to slightly open the door handle just a little bit to get that get the right angle. Take that 1 screw out, your door handle comes off, and all you have to do is lift up on the whole panel, and the whole thing will come off. And then right in behind it, you'll have your 3 screws. And then there'd be kind of a small plastic clip that goes right in here where your mirror plugs in. This usually plugs into it right there. Squeeze that clip a little bit, and then the whole mirror comes out. And finally, over here, if you just peel this away just far enough, it's got some sticky stuff on here. You have to have your window up, so that's why this is reconnected, so I can go up and down with the window. But then right in here, you'll have this access hole to get to that screw, and then you'll have this screw right over here. So pretty simple. And then you take the rods off in here, and then it comes right off of there. The taillights are the easiest one, easiest to do. All it is, you have a screw here and a screw down here. You take those 2 screws out, then it actually should have plastic tabs that push into here and here. So you undo those screws, pull out towards you, it'll come out, and then you just have this 1 connector. They may have a safety pin through here, little plastic clip that goes through there. I can't remember if it's red or green. You pop that clip out and just squeeze it and unplug it. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to stay tuned for more videos, maybe see how this truck gets wrapped, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.